Target, and target is the key. In any kind of money earning structure, you need to have the target. You give yourself that I want to become a millionaire before reaching 25, 30, 35, these kind of things. So now if you give yourself a target, now you can't sleep. If you can't sleep, you have to work. Okay, you just can't watch a TV series, because I've seen guys, I've given myself an experiment of watching a TV series of around 14 TV series I've taken, each of around 10 episodes. So 140 episodes, each of around 1 hour, so 140 hours. So I said that if I keep on watching them for around 20 hours a day, so within 7 days I'll be able to finish them. No complete relaxation, only having food and watching them at the time of COVID. So you won't believe me, guys. After 3 or 4 hours of constant watching, I felt like dizzy. Then again 3 4 hours, then dizzy. And in the second or third day, when I managed to do around 25 to 30 hours, I start hating that entire TV series structure. So same thing happens with, if you feel the urge for eating something, go there and eat like five, six, seven things together and tell yourself, okay, are you satisfied? So in this way, things will become easier for you. Okay. So remember that these all things are possible if you have a great target in your mind. Many of the cases, people don't have it. They don't know where they want to be, with whom they want to be, so they end up in a very messy kind of situation. So your job is to make sure that you have that grip in your life, and every time when you have it, you tell yourself, get yourself a diary like this, okay, a small diary and a good pen, and then you keep on writing the stuff of your life. Okay, here you to mention that where you want to be, what is your target, what are the things every time. So this targeting thing, and give yourself a date. And if you can't follow, just follow like the Google Map. If Google Map always shows your way, and if you don't follow it properly, what happens? Does it get angry? Does it stop showing it to you? No, it shows you. It says, go there, take a U-turn, man, and then again go to get back to your own way. Sometimes when you take a detour, you took a special turn, they say, wow, it saves time. From 9 minutes, suddenly you see you can reach it within 3 minutes, maybe 2 minutes. So all these things all together forms a different level of relationship with you and the other stuff. So now you have to proceed the way you want it. Now, the things will not be the easiest every time. For example, there is distinctively ways of those things which we cannot see when we cannot process. Okay, so now if you give yourself a very impossible target, then also it's very much okay. People say give yourself a possible target. Okay, I given myself that I'm going to earn 1 million rupees in our Indian currency within 1.5 years. I did it within 7 months. So sometimes giving yourself a harder target makes it easier for you to achieve that thing. And split your targets into smaller parts. If you say about wow, big things, no. So how you do it, multiple things together. Okay, all these things segregated, multiple things, and very quickly in order to reach like this pinnacle of success. Okay, this is an original painting I have done when I went to the Himalayas in the Nepal, and there I did this thing. So I put it like this so that you guys also can see it and get it done. So the next one we'll talk about some more structured pattern of earning money.